How to use your graph to solve equation or answering question like this. Let's start with the most simple question. In this question, I've done A and B, draw the graph, done, and C, use the graph to solve equation. When you want to use the graph to solve equation, you must remember this. The equation consists of two equations. One will be from the question here, and you can see it here, which is y equal to x squared plus 3 over x. And the other question will be here. This will be y equal to 5. So to solve this, you just need to draw the line y equal to 5. It will be something like this. This is y equal to 5. And to find the answer, you have three answers here. You need to find the intersection point. The solution is the intersection point. Maybe here, here, and here. So get the x value for each of these. You should get 3 values. And for D, by drawing a suitable straight line, solve the equation. Okay. So, as I said, it will be two equations. One will be here, which is y equal to x squared plus 3 over x. The other one will be y equal to x plus 5. So you just find the value of x and y. So when x 0, y is 5. When x is 1, y will be 6. So you plot the graph 0, 5, 1, and 6. And you should get something like this. And to check the answer, you should get 3 intersection points. 1, 2, and 3. Get the x value of each point, so you get the answer. Now we move on to more challenging question. Okay. So use your graph to solve equation. So the first equation with y equal to 1 over x squared plus x here. But if you notice, in this equation, it is combined, therefore we need to split it. So we have 1 x squared plus x minus 3 equal to 0. So to get rid of the 3 plus 3, this one 0, is plus 3 both sides. So you get 1 over x squared plus x equal to 3. Therefore, the other equation will be y equal to 3. Just draw the line. You should get 3 intersection points. Therefore, 1, 2, 3. Now move to the next question. Okay, it's more challenging. Okay, after you done A and B, for D, you have 1 over x squared equal to 2.5 minus 2x. So how to get the x in? You just plus the x. So you plus x, and then you plus x. That will give you 1 over x squared plus x equal to 2.5 minus x. In this question, the question asks you to write in the form of y equal to ax plus b. Therefore, you get y equal to minus x plus 2.5. And your a will be -1, b will be 2.5. Then you draw the line. It should be something like this. And you can notice you have the one intersection point here. Therefore, one answer. Now we move on to the next question. More challenging question. Okay. We done A and B, draw the graph, and D stated the question x squared minus 2x plus 12 over x equal to k. Now you have no equation, no value, but they give you k, has exactly two distinct solutions. So in this case, we know we have, when you draw the line, y equal to k, you should have two intersection points. Will it be here, or here, or where? Or where is it? Okay, you can try this question. And for E, we have another type of question. The equation of x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0 can be solved by drawing the line. So do you need to draw the line? Okay, I'll answer these two questions is in my next video. This is part 1, so I'll do it in part 2. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell so that you didn't miss it. I will see you again. Bye bye.